Did you know your body has the power to stay young, strong, and energized, no matter your age? I know. It sounds shocking, but according to renowned health expert Dr. Barbara O'Neill,
muscle knows no age. In other words, whether you're 9 or 90, you can have a strong, fit, healthy body.
So, if you are ready to take control of your health and vitality, keep watching to learn her powerful, life-changing secrets. First, let's talk about one of the most important secrets to living a longer, healthier life: staying active. Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a naturopath with over 40 years of experience, says,
the key to aging gracefully isn't about spending big money on treatments, it's about moving your body every day.
You look at 3 groups of people that live long lives, commonly into their hundreds, quality of life, and the journalist actually interviewed and followed a lot of them. And one was the Okinawans, which are Japanese. I think it's a Japanese island, very hard for McDonald's to get to islands. And there's a picture of a Okinawan woman, 85, collecting seaweed in the shallow part around the island. Also the Sardinians, which is an Italian group of people, and he was climbing hills, almost mountains, for this 90-year-old man to check his goats, and he could hardly keep up with him. Now the third group of people were the Seventh-day Adventists, and they're a group of people that commonly have much better health. So the 3 common denominators with these 3 groups of people were they're always active.
Regular physical activity even lowers your risk of dying from diseases by 20 to 30%. That's a huge deal. Dr. O'Neill also recommends incorporating high-intensity interval training, short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest. This type of workout doesn't just make you stronger, it helps your heart, lungs, and circulation, and even boosts human growth hormone, which repairs tissues and keeps your muscles youthful. So, you can stay strong and vibrant without overdoing it at the gym. But exercise is only part of the story. What you eat plays a big role too.
Number 1, leafy greens.
Dark green leafy vegetables are also alkaline forming. Dark green leafy vegetables we should be eating every day. That's your kale, that's your parsley, that's your, what you call them, collard greens. Do you know, I've never seen collard greens in Australia. You can tell I'm in Alabama. They're a popular food here, but we do have spinach and silver beet, kale. We should be eating something from the dark green family of vegetables every single day.
Leafy greens like kale, spinach and lettuce are packed with vitamins A, C, K and minerals like calcium and iron. They help your immune system, strengthen bones and lower the risk of diseases like heart problems and cancer. Number 2, legumes.
Yes, your chickpeas are here, and your garbanzos, your chickpeas, your black-eyed beans, your kidney beans. They're not bad. Of course they're not bad. We need a little acid.
These little powerhouses like lentils, chickpeas and beans are nature's health miracles. Full of plant-based protein, fiber and a ton of vitamins and minerals, they are great for your digestion and help lower inflammation. Plus, they are a fantastic source of iron and folate, especially for women. You can add lentils to soups, toss chickpeas into your salads, or whip up a hearty bean stew. So simple, but so good for you. Number 3, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia and flax seeds. These are your go-to snacks for heart health and boosting your overall well-being. They are packed with healthy fats, protein and antioxidants. Plus, they help lower inflammation and keep you feeling fuller longer. Sprinkle them on yogurt or oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or just grab a handful as a snack. About 1 to 2 ounces a day is perfect. Number 4, blueberries. Blueberries are brain food. They are loaded with antioxidants that protect your brain from aging and help with memory issues. They also help detoxify your body, if you want to make them part of your daily routine. Toss a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries into smoothies, oatmeal, or just snack on them straight out of the bowl. Your brain will thank you. Number 5, fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are amazing for reducing inflammation, protecting your heart, and even improving your mood. They also help rebuild damaged tissues and nerves. Try to have 2 servings a week. Grill, bake, or pan fry them for a tasty and nutritious meal that's good for your body from the inside out. Number 6, turmeric. Now this golden spice is more than just a pretty color.
Turmeric's a very powerful herb internally to get the inflammation down.
The active compound, curcumin, fights inflammation, eases joint pain, boosts brain health, and could even help lower your risk of heart disease. So how do you use it? Add a teaspoon of turmeric to your curries, soups, or smoothies. And don't forget to pair it with black pepper. It helps your body absorb the curcumin better. Number 7, probiotic foods. Foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha are packed with probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that keep your gut healthy. A happy gut means better digestion, stronger immunity, and even improved mental health. How to incorporate them? Add a little sauerkraut or kimchi to your meals, or sip on some kombucha for a tasty and gut-friendly boost. These foods aren't just great at preventing disease, they will also help keep your body and skin looking youthful, vibrant, and healthy.
But it's not just about what you eat. Water is the next essential piece of the puzzle. Drinking enough water helps flush out toxins, keeps your skin glowing, and supports your kidneys. But how much should you drink? Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, but
I said you are never to drink a whole glass at once. You have to drink it little by little by little by little.
it helps your body absorb the water better and keeps you hydrated all day long. Now, let's talk about something you want to stay away from: genetically modified foods.
Genetically modified foods create molecules that the body doesn't know. Genetically modified foods have the ability to tamper with your DNA. Genetically modified foods cause cancer. What's cancer? Cancer is a mutation of the cells. What causes the mutation of the cell? The mutation in the DNA. What causes the mutation in the DNA? Genetically modified food can do that, and so can these other things.
It's crazy how something so simple can have such a big impact on your health. By making these small changes, drinking more water, and avoiding GMOs, you are setting yourself up for a healthier, more energetic life. And that's it for today's video. If you found these secrets helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a video packed with more health tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching.